Craving that warm, comforting slice of banana bread, but keto life got you down? Don't fret, bread lovers. This almond flour banana bread hits all the right notes, moist, flavorful, and bursting with banana essence, all while keeping your carbs under control at just 5 grams per slice. This recipe is simple enough for baking newbies, and it uses natural sweeteners and almond flour, making it gluten-free and paleo-friendly, too. So, preheat your oven, gather your ingredients, and let's whip up a keto masterpiece. Ingredients: makes 10 to 12 slices. 2 large, very ripe bananas, mashed, about 1½ cups. 3 large eggs. ½ cup melted butter or coconut oil. 2 tablespoons monk fruit sweetener, or erythritol. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1½ cups blanched almond flour. 1/4 cup coconut flour. 2 teaspoons baking powder. ½ teaspoon ground cinnamon. 1/4 teaspoon salt. ½ cup chopped walnuts, optional. Instructions. 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and line a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan with parchment paper. 2. In a large bowl, mash the bananas until smooth. Whisk in the eggs, melted butter/oil, sweetener, and vanilla extract until well combined. 3. In a separate bowl, whisk together the almond flour, coconut flour, baking powder, cinnamon, and salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Don't overmix. 4. Fold in the chopped walnuts, if using, and gently pour the batter into the prepared loaf pan. Smooth the top with a spatula. 5. Bake for 50 to 55 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let cool in the pan for at least 30 minutes before slicing and serving. Tips and variations. For extra indulgence, drizzle the top of the loaf with melted sugar-free chocolate before baking. Sprinkle some chopped pecans or pepitas on top for a different flavor and texture. Feeling adventurous? Add a teaspoon of instant coffee or espresso powder to the dry ingredients for a mocha twist. Want a sweeter bread? You can add an extra tablespoon of sweetener to the batter, but remember, it will slightly increase the net carbs per slice. This recipe freezes beautifully. Wrap the cooled loaf tightly in plastic wrap and store in the freezer for up to 3 months. So, there you have it. This almond flour banana bread is the perfect keto solution for all your comfort food cravings. Enjoy a slice with a cup of coffee for breakfast, as a midday snack, or even a light dessert. Remember, keto baking is all about experimenting and finding what works for you. So, get creative, have fun, and bake your way to keto banana bread bliss. Bonus tip: if you're new to keto, remember to introduce this recipe gradually into your diet, as the natural sugars in the bananas can still affect your blood sugar levels.